Archbishop Gregory Ammon personally apologizes to survivors of clergy sex abuse, but some of those survivors say it rings hollow. Tan Trong is live at federal court where Ammon took the witness stand in the church's bankruptcy trial. Tan.
Liz, Archbishop Gregory Ammon spent about an hour and a half on the witness stand today, and he testified in front of several survivors of alleged clergy sex abuse watching him in court, and he offered them, as you mentioned, a personal apology. Richard Kuhn says when he was 10 years old, a Catholic school administrator sexually abused him, and the abuse lasted for years.
The ripple effect, the way it impacts you, is just astounding.
Kuhn is a claimant in the multi-million-dollar bankruptcy case. He and a handful of other claimants came to court specifically to see Archbishop Gregory Ammon testify. On the stand Thursday, Ammon explained the purpose behind the Archdiocese bankruptcy. He said, quote, "The primary reason is to reach out to the survivors and give a just amount of money for the suffering they've been through." On behalf of the Archdiocese, Ammon apologized to survivors, saying it was, quote, "personally embarrassing that any priest would sexually take advantage of anyone." For some survivors, the apology is hollow.
I didn't think it was sincere. He should have did it a long time ago. So to me, it didn't sound sincere. It sounded like it was fake.
Earlier Thursday, an expert witness detailed how sex abuse claims are assessed to come up with monetary estimates for bankruptcies and other proceedings. While the proposed deal to settle the 600-plus clergy sex abuse claims against the Archdiocese of New Orleans involves an overall payment of $230 million, the expert witness testified similar Catholic bankruptcies have had much higher damage values, some topping $1 billion. Regarding the deal on the table, Archbishop Ammon said, quote, "A survivor's pain is enormous, and there is no way to compensate for that." Claimants like Kuhn say they're not after the money, but accountability from the Archdiocese.
I mean, it's a cover-up. It still is. So I'm looking forward to the new Archbishop being in full control. I don't think he's going to play those type of games.
And Ammon testified that paying the settlement and keeping the Archdiocese running will be a challenge, but he added, quote, "God provides." His successor, the next Archbishop, will be testifying tomorrow. At federal court, Tan Trong, Fox 8, Local First.